The mind is its own place and in itself can make a heaven of hell, a hell of heaven. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Change your thoughts and you change your world. Happiness depends upon ourselves. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. The only thing we have to fear is fear itself. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. The best way to predict the future is to create it. The unexamined life is not worth living. The greatest weapon against stress is our ability to choose one thought over another. We do not see things as they are, we see them as we are. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. He who has a why to live can bear almost any how. The only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. The shoe that fits one person pinches another. There is no recipe for living that suits all cases. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share.